Hundreds of youth and children from Cape Town gathered here to speak against the city's vices. Cases of crime and drug abuse in the city have been on the rise in the last couple of months. Speaking at the event, Chinese Consul General Kang Yong said it was important to give a platform to the youth in addressing the challenges facing Cape Town.
To all the children, I should say that you are representing the future of South Africa.
We are here today to make a noise about stopping crime and throwing flags, about telling people to stop the crime and to abuse, that we can change the world and help people.
Hosted by the Minaton Community Police Forum Cluster Board, the event also sought to tackle crimes against women and children.
We're busy with a celebration of Youth Day particularly, but we've chosen the Saturday to enhance the crimes against women and children, but particularly women at the present time. And we thought it well to combine 9 police stations, which is the Milnerton cluster police stations.
The event also provided time for bonding and cultural exchanges. The entertainment included performances by a Chinese dragon dance team from the Cape Town Huajing Arts Group, who delighted many with a famed dragon dance. Leslie Marungu, CGTN.